Cheers.
This is actually not bad beer on the whole.
What is it?
It's Kingfisher Premium.
Kingfisher Premium. ये तो गोटी पीता है ना ये?
Yeah, I don't know. So there was like 4 or 5 cans at home randomly.
Oh.
Just been there, by the way, been there for months.
Months probably,
Just
yeah.
months. So I didn't know what to do. जब जो cricket match था India Park, so I brought them to the office.
Oh right.
उसमें दो लगे हैं और 2 बचे हुए थे.
हाँ.
तो फिर आज सोचा कि
Bro, India Park क्या game था bro.
that was pretty cool actually.
That was sick.
I mean, I barely saw any of it because I was watching the race.
Because yeah, but I missed all the wickets also.
Whatever I
don't
saw, I
hang out with these
enjoyed.
fucking idiots.
Yeah, whatever I saw, I really enjoyed. Yeah.
Fucking room temperature IQ all of them.
Hey, well, you know what it is, right? It makes you feel better about yourself. Sometimes you gotta hang out with the mids to make you feel like you're the top of the world, huh?
King personality.
You're the
bed paper
tits.
towels all of them.
I love you, all my friends.
Devansh is cool though.
What the fuck? You literally just named one of them. Fucking.
Dude, I don't give a fuck.
I know.
I really don't.
By the way,
not
let's
care.
not
I did not know we were recording also. By the way,
It's not like any of them are watching, huh? Though, of course.
but yeah, I had no, I had no idea we were recording. I thought we were having a. I would not have brought that up on the podcast. Anyway, it
So
is what
I
it is.
mean, edit one thing. Yeah.
It is what it is. I don't care, bro.
Who cares? By the way, none of them are watching, bro.
Yeah,
They're not watching.
yeah.
Yeah. I mean, हो सकता है कि आगे कहीं फ्यूचर में कोई उनको बोले अरे तो तुम्हारी ले रहे थे शायद आजा क्या है
ले रहे थे. They don't know who I'm. I didn't name anyone.
हाँ अच्छा इसको रखते हैं यहाँ पे अबे टिश्यू के डब्बे हैं वहीं पर रख
Yeah.
Bro, Amazon ने मेरी क्या गांड मारी है so
क्यों?
you know those Biko boxes right the Biko tissues that I've had the black boxes right so I ordered a box a set of 36
Yeah.
36 का क्रेट आता है सेट उनके खुद ही उसमें लिखा हुआ है कि you know 6 8 36 40 whatever the fuck so I got a 36 they sent one box on Sunday took money for 36
36 boxes you ordered.
हाँ 36 of these tissue boxes
What the hell?
because it's more economical you just buy a bulk
Right.
Costco principle this is here yeah अरे नहीं वो तो मैंने रिकॉर्ड है एक्चुअली मैंने पहले ही शुरू कर दिया था तो हम बातें कर रहे थे तो we're just talking कम
अच्छा बैठ जाना.
ऑन कर देते भाई की एंट्री कैसी होती है
अरे
बैठ यार.
हाँ,
अबे तू फिर से भाई घटिया पजामा पहन के आ गया.
तुझे सुनना किसको है
घटिया होगा तेरा बिल्ला एक्चुअली बहुत प्यारा है
मेरा भी
Who what the fuck wants to
Yes.
listen to you
Nice
talk?
pussy.
पैंट वैंट नहीं है.
नाइस पुसी रिशु नाइस पुसी मेरे को ये पैंट एक्चुअली अभी धुल के आई थी
पहली बात तो पैंट है नहीं
तू पैंट का लोड़ा है
टी-शर्ट अच्छी है.
थैंक्स मेरे को यार एक सेकंड ये पकड़ेगा
ये कहाँ से दिया तूने मेरे को नीचे से?
We've had the beers but your Stulichny after that night there's like some left I think
क्या बात कर रहा है
You
ठंडा
want
नहीं
some?
बुलाओगे भाई को
हैं
जा बना
बियर
ले
देख के
ठंडा.
ठरक आ रही है
जा बना ले ठंडा.
ठरक आ रही है निखिल
नहीं नहीं मेरे को ठरक आ रही तो निकल को क्यों बुला रहा है भाई ऐसा मत कर
अरे maybe निखिल is
Wait,
into
he
it.
knows where the steak house is.
शाहपुर जाट or something
How's Khasi saying?
यार एक ना क्या बोलते हैं वो जो अलमारी नीचे वाली किचन में उसमें एक बोतल है वोडका की ले आ और इनके लिए कुछ सोडा वोडा कुछ चाय कॉफी क्रैनबेरी कुछ बाय द वे ऑल द स्पार्कलिंग वाटर इज ओवर नॉर्मल सोडा भी है और क्या है
Nothing with sugar for me.
फॉर यू हु इज आस्किंग यू मैन
या
Just
वो
saying, मैंने sugar बंद कर दिया है.
ओह
शुक्र
Bro,
है
मैं अब
शुगर है
शुक्र है
हाँ. अब मैं पता है हर टाइप का ऐसे मीट बनाने लगा हूँ. मैं एकदम पकवान बन चुका हूँ बहुत बड़ा. बावर्ची बन चुका हूँ.
तू एक पकवान
तू पकवान
तू
बन
डिश
चुका
बन चुका है तू बहुत बड़ा पकवान है बैठ के लोड़े
बावर्ची.
पकवान गई के
Shut up यार. कभी-कभार
पकवान से
मिस हो जाता है यार word. Anyway,
एनीवे
हम
yeah.
पहलवान तुम पकवान
because I've been cooking a lot ना तो काफी ऐसे ऐसे मीट को ट्रिम विम करता हूँ थोड़ा बहुत. जैसे फैट वैट कट करता हूँ ना तो उसको मैं फेंक देता हूँ बाहर.
राइट
तो बाहर फेंकता हूँ तो उसकी वजह से बिल्ली आ
बिल्ली आ रही है
एक बिल्ली.
एक बिल्ली
ठीक है.
उस बिल्ली ने
नाम
खाना
मैंने
खाते
बिल्लो
खाते
रखा है.
बच्चे पैदा कर दिए उसने
हाँ उसने
बिल्लो
कुछ
अच्छा बेबीज का नाम रोमा है वन ऑफ देम इज रोमा
हाँ रोमा रख लो बच्चों का नाम. तो एनीवे तो वो
मुझे जंगली बिल्लियाँ बहुत पसंद है
अबे ग्लास भी ले आइयो एक इसके लिए.
दो ग्लास ले आना.
But तो फिर सोडा भी तो लोगे तुम लोग हैं? What the fuck? Because that's literally just vodka and one Sprite.
अरे कौन पी रहा है? मैं तो बस देखने के लिए.
अच्छा, right.
But anyway, तो listen यार. So
ग्लास लाने देना उसको टमाटर.
हाँ नहीं वोडका में नीट पीऊंगा स्प्राइट में अलग से पीऊंगा ना थोड़ा.
Right on. Chaser, short chaser.
नहीं थोड़ा स्प्राइट पीऊंगा ठंडक के लिए फिर थोड़ा वोडका पीऊंगा गर्मी के लिए फिर देखूंगा क्या करना है.
this is hot.
Whatever, no one cares.
Yeah, nobody cares.
अबे
Yeah. Go on. Go on. So
तो वो बिल्ली
you got
आई.
two pussy cats.
Yeah, and
Bunch
then,
of pussies in your house.
so
That's new.
Yeah, I wish.
That's new man.
Yeah, it is. कभी नहीं आती.
Congrats, man.
कभी नहीं आती.
Yeah.
तो anyway, so the cat started coming.
ये इधर कर दो और इनके लिए एक और ग्लास ले आओ. ये भी पियेंगे. Your story keeps getting
Fuck the
interrupted.
story. Fuck the cat.
Fuck the story. Focus on story.
Rishu,
Anyway, तो मैंने
Congratulations.
बिल्ली पाल ली है.
Happy Pride Month.
Oh yeah, is it? I mean, cool. Good for them.
Good for them.
Yeah. Good for they them.
Wait, where's the pearl necklaces? No.
Dude, I'm done with pearl necklaces. मैं
Why?
देख रहा हूँ. Because किसी को समझ में नहीं आता. मैंने पहले भी समझाया था. Indian royalty used to wear Indian royalty men who were part of Indian royalty used to wear pearl necklaces. It was just a thing. Like
तेरे पास कहाँ से आ गया फिर?
men wore more jewelry than women.
Yeah, I mean it was
You know,
royalty.
so-
then who the
What the fuck are you doing?
What the fuck
with
you
So I'm
doing?
just saying, I'm trying to.
Aren't you
emulate-
oppressed minority?
I'm trying to emulate.
Wannabe. Yeah.
I'm trying to emulate our kings and queens, man.
Keep trying, man. Keep at it.
Great. Next you'll have Kshatriyas trying to be Brahmins and shit, man. Please. Relax yourself.
Yikes.
I don't get that.
Yikes.
I said Kshatriya because I am so I can अपने को कंसाउंड कर सकते हो.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fucking Kshatriyas.
वो तुम्हारे में तो जात वात होती भी नहीं है, I guess.
जात
होती है.
होती है.
नहीं होती.
होती है.
तुम्हारी जात भी नहीं है.
Bro,
Loser.
literally होती है. And are you gonna fucking like what is it called? क्या बोलते हैं उसे? Fuck. There is this thing called
Varna system.
No. When you what is it called? Fuck. There's this thing where
Shuddhikaran.
when you don't recognize someone, so you're dead naming or something like that, where you
Ignore.
क्या पर ignore करो ना एक leftist ना. There's an intellectual way to say it.
Untouchable कर देना.
Where you have fuck I'm forgetting
You
blanking on it.
Harijant them.
Anyway, this one beer has fucked me in the ass, I guess.
Beers do that?
I don't.
I've been missing out, bro.
So he's also not used to drinking a lot.
I'm just yeah.
I think we're nearby.
I'm back to enjoying drinking. Yeah.
Back.
Back.
Yeah.
Is it on the wagon, off the wagon? What do you say?
But it is on. But I was never. Well, alcohol's never been like a regular thing for me.
Yeah, it's just a fun night or something.
Yeah, whatever, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah.
Except, never mind.
Except for what?
Few months I had a problem.
Few months you had a problem.
Except for that.
Yeah.
Yes. Except for that, yeah. Otherwise.
I don't get drunk. I think I'm missing
That
the
became
gene.
part of my problem. That became part of my problem.
Yeah. When you're trying to get drunk, you just pass over into fucking blackout, and then you just don't
No,
remember shit. You're stumbling around, have a whole night. 4 conversations about the same night for Yuvraj's music video launch. No recollection.
What?
No
Video
idea.
Oh my god.
No idea.
Number 5.
Exactly. Yeah. Exactly.
What video launch?
No, do it for posterity. Do it on the podcast. Have this conversation with us. Where you don't remember you hanging out with 6 other
एक
people.
एपिसोड में किया था वो
Literally, you
इसका-
guys-
इसका
You guys are gaslighting me.
I'm not. एक काम
Brother.
एक काम करते हैं अपेक्षा से बात कर लेते हैं कौन तेरे दोस्त आए थे वो
अरविंद
अरविंद आया था और
Adi.
गायत्री
अच्छा,
गायत्री
सारी इसके
गायत्री
दोस्त। मेरे
गायत्री
किसी दोस्त से बात
गायत्री
करो जो
सनातन
साले-
आया- सनातन आया था सनातन
गाना
के
मेरा
साथ
रिलीज
वो
हुआ था तेरे दोस्त कहाँ से टपके बैठ के लोड़े
उस दिन जो शरांग आया फॉर द क्रिकेट गेम वो भी आया
When we
था
met Krish, na?
नो
नो
by the way he's conflating with fucking night for like 3 months before prior to what we did yeah
Dude, I don't know. I don't remember.
that's exactly
Sprite pass
what-
कर देगा
that's
nothing else.
exactly what yeah
Thank you.
Yeah.
that's pretty cool
Anyway, so
Anyway.
I was cooking.
so how are you celebrating Pride Month
पता नहीं क्या करते हैं. Pride month तो
पहले तो
नहीं,
गांड
but
में
I know-
डंडा ले ले
I know अभी next Sunday को is Father's Day.
एक
लेट गेट
For
हिम
celebration?
वार्म हिम अप
right
Next Sunday is Father's Day.
next
We
Sunday
put-
this coming Sunday
ब्रदर वी
Sorry,
पुट
this coming Sunday.
yes
इसके गांड में एक डंडा भरेंगे ये 2 और मक्खन मांगेगा
हाँ
तो चिंता क्यों कर रहे हैं एक भर के तो देख
मक्खन
क्या मांगेगा?
माखन
गांड में डंडा
Garment.
mm.
Yeah.
yeah
So I haven't been keeping up with Pride month and all that. I really don't care.
acha
But good for they them.
well one would assume you know looking at your
Yeah,
तो
good
फिर
for
तो मैं सारे month मेरे ही हैं.
Some questionable fashion choices.
good for
Black
you.
History Month also
Black History
mine.
Month he's
Pride
got,
Month also
Pride Month he's
mine.
got, yeah.
Women's Day mine.
It's it's good for you us. है ना? क्यों भाई?
Me you.
That's pretty cool.
Us them होगा ना.
अच्छा बिल्ली का बता.
नहीं, तू बनाना मैं इनके लोड़े.
Tell me
तू
about
जो
the
कर-
pussycats.
Oh my god,
What
I'm
happened
so
to the
happy
pussies?
because I wanted a cat. ठीक है, and my mom.
You've been lusting after pussies for the longest time.
Yes, all sorts.
Now you
of-
have 3.
Now,
But
so
it's
my mom doesn't
still
like cats.
one more to go. As a Muslim, you can do 4 pussies. You have 3.
Yes, so that's what here's the plan.
So your mom doesn't like. They don't.
Abhi there is Billo in the house, right?
Right on.
And I'm going to get Billo
A
Billa
billa. A billa.
called Billy. And dude, so I will have Billy and Billo.
Okay.
Two Billies, Billy
हाँ.
and Billo.
Uh-huh.
You know, male and female.
समझ गया
And
मैं.
then there are 2 kids.
ये जो तेरा स्पेशल दिमाग है ना, अगर तू कहीं और लगाता, एक्चुअली मत लगा कहीं और.
नहीं.
यहाँ पे ही इसको रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर.
So
नहीं तो तू दुनिया
आज
में
सुबह से-
डैमेज कर देगा.
सुबह से I've been.
Is the family playing along with this?
It's like a 4-year-old is getting
Yeah.
to name all the hey,
Yeah.
pick it, Billy.
No, I mean I don't need to keep them trapped inside the house, bro. I don't think keeping a pet is like humane
So you're fine with
or
Polly.
animal lane. I don't know what. क्या होता है?
Animal
No,
Lane is
well,
Animal Lane is the one.
They're domesticated animals, so they actually they depend on human care to survive properly.
Right.
You can't leave a domesticated
But
dog.
my Billo doesn't need me.
Yeah, but she's not a house cat. Or whatever
Yeah,
the fuck,
she
right?
chooses to. And I think even domesticated animals, if you just let them be outside, they figure it. They have instincts to figure it out. Like they are.
Sure.
I have a question.
बताइए.
Which Billo has ever actually needed you?
Dude, what? You can be happy for me. Everything doesn't need to be make a joke about how I can't get girls.
Okay, I'm gonna be happy for you for the next 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yeah, before I become an asshole again, maybe. I don't know.
Okay.
Hey, Siri, set a time for 15 minutes.
The best 15 minutes of my life.
That's she wishes she could say that. I'm sorry, I start now. Yeah, I started. I can't. चलो मेरा मजाक उड़ा सकते हो. मेरे भोसड़े फट चुके हैं.
क्या हुआ
क्यों?
तेरे life?
मेरे I started going to the gym and abhi also I ran.
Oh, that's good, bro.
Yeah, but I am my
You
body
need
is, bro, you have no idea how difficult it was to drive here. Like my arms are drooping while I'm fucking my legs are
That's a
I
good
felt
sign.
like मेरा लोड़ा वड़ा कट गया, मेरे टट्टे वट्टे कट गए, भोसड़ा लगवा लिया, वो भोसड़ा फट चुका है.
Wait a second. Hold on.
It's kind of like it was so intense.
Hold on.
Yeah, I don't want to get
You,
into that.
you went to
What
the
hell
gym
is that?
and you transitioned into being a woman. I feel like it's the wrong facility. You've gone to a sex affirming, what is it called? Gender affirming therapist.
थोड़ा कट गया.
थोड़ा कट निकल के भोसड़ा लगा दिया है. I mean,
I think you got.
hold on.
ठीक है.
Hold on.
I think तूने कोई और
This
procedure
is
करवाया.
an M2F transition that's happened.
MF was certainly one of the words in my head.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
मम्मी की बुद्धि.
नहीं फोन देख ले, तेरे पास 12 मिनट ही बचे हैं.
हाँ ठीक है यार. मेरे को कोई टेक्स्ट करे जा रहा है बार बार.
Oh, म्यूट कर दिया, साइलेंट कर दे यार.
What are the 3 pussies? One of the 3
हाँ मैं
pussies.
साइलेंट कर देता हूँ.
ये उसका हांडा का है ना कि बुक कर
साइलेंट
ले.
कर दे ब्रो.
ऐसे ये हांडा का ही लग रहा है वैसे.
हाँ,
इतना
हाँ,
इतना
हांडा ही
इंटेंस.
है.
Oh,
Maybe pack with
मैंने कहा लड़की वड़की वो. That's fine.
लड़की को तो मैं ही टेक्स्ट करता रहता हूँ. मेरे को तो ज्यादा करती नहीं हूँ खुद से.
रुक जा.
It's okay.
Bro,
You
तू
got
देख ले
this.
अपने आप यार. मेरे को मेरी
You
दोस्त ने
got
एक
this.
recommendation दी थी. I don't really. I
losing
don't.
hope, bro.
I'm not
This
sure
is your
about
15
this
minutes
guy.
is running, man. I'm taking your side right now. Like I've got you.
अच्छा ठीक है. कोई काम की बात कर लो. ठीक है. By the way, तुम मेरे को मजाक उड़ा रहे थे.
What about the
Vodka last pass
गुड़गांव
कर
में
रहे थे.
That
गुड़गांव में
tribe
BJP
in the-
BJP only one in Gurgaon, not Raj Babbar.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, it was Rahul.
Fuck.
Good.
My Raj Babbar Facebook fan page. क्या करूँगा उसका? I've got deep fake dick pics on the fucking thing, man.
They can still come in handy.
They love Raj's Babbar, bro.
Deep fake.
Like you know.
I got a peeve, dude. This beard is just what the fuck.
मुझे यार
That's what
vodka
happens
glass
when you-
पकड़ा दे.
When you drink beer, I just
पिला दे दीवानी मैं हूँ जिसकी. I'm a bad girl. I like vodka.
Yeah. Anyway, बहुत कुछ हो गया पता है. In the last few days that we didn't meet.
Tell me about it, bro.
Yeah. What? What do you mean? What are you talking about?
I've been busy. What are you
Yeah,
talking
you've
about?
been busy. I watched the news now.
Oh, I'm not sure.
There's that CISF woman who slapped Kangana.
My hero.
Bro, ऐसे थोड़ी धप्पड़ मार सकते हो किसी को.
क्यों केजरीवाल साहब को मार सकते हैं तो किसी
हाँ,
एक्चुअल
तो-
लुल्लू की पट्टी को नहीं मार सकते.
Yeah, I guess मार सकते हो. But she got suspended and shit for it.
Bro, women can get slapped. I'm a true feminist.
अबे तो हाँ, female only slapped her.
Great.
Yeah, it's better than a man slapping her, obviously.
Yes. I was about to take the controversial approach, but then I realized, no, let's not do that. He's not here. I don't have to do it, right? I can be a
Wait for him to come. Then
while
you
he's
do it.
gone. At least I can be the decent human being I am.
No, you are not.
I'm all right. Okay. He
Chela hai uska.
just brings out the worst in me.
Oh my god, why are we bitching about him? He's going to come back.
Oh, I love him so much.
Oh,
Look at
yeah.
him and his lovely Judy and his sunglasses and wow.
What the hell?
I
कैसे
love
mood
him.
में है आज?
I think it's a gym. I don't know.
Yeah, I think you're actually funny for once.
Hold on. What happened?
I don't know.
Is it that strong? The beer is that strong?
No, he's just being
I don't know
funny.
what you're saying.
I actually have not had a sip of alcohol yet.
No, I'm talking about
Oh,
Rifshu's
he's
perception
right,
of reality.
Right.
Yeah. He thinks you're funny.
Maybe I think everything's funny right now. Yeah.
Maybe the beer's been spiked with something.
Some
I don't
good
know.
We were
beer.
talking about the CISF woman slapping.
Kangana Ranaut.
Yeah.
That's nuts. That's pretty insane, dude. And the people who are cheering around, I mean, like, you know, when it happens
Maybe
to...
she was asking for it. Because I would have if she was.
Because you would have if she was.
I would have
Slapped her if she asked for
Is
it.
this another? Okay.
Sure. Sure.
Is this another?
This was a sad
The
attempt.
camera is on.
Sad attempt at a joke.
Hey, you said it.
I guess, I mean, when you try to make jokes, they're actually worse than Yuvraj's because
Yeah, I need to stop making jokes and just tell
You
you
just
guys about my fucking
you
sad
just
ass
had
life.
your-
that's
right.
funny.
Yeah.
When you have recollections of what really happened in your life, that's where the comedy is, man.
Even when he doesn't have recollections, it's also funny.
when he has total blackouts.
But his
When
blackout.
it's literally memory holes.
But I don't understand. This is a sustained blackout that cannot be filled. Because we always fill this void
But
with
it's a
new
black-
information.
It's
Ki,
a
listen,
blackout,
this
bro.
But it's not
happened.
going to happen, man. Like
No, see, he doesn't remember the night.
huh.
Then 4 times after we've told him about that night, and he doesn't remember those conversations of us telling him about that night.
It's because I don't believe the conversations that we've had. I remember the
Uh-huh.
conversations. I
Huh.
just feel like if that night had happened and you guys weren't lying to me, then I would have had some memory of it. But I have no memory of it. So it's like you guys. So I feel like you guys are just
Yeah.
fucking with me.
We've been lying to you since the
all-
12th of Jan.
All three of us. Firstly,
For
me,
some
Who
reason.
knows?
Yeah.
That's what I'm
me,
saying.
Vidur, Yuvraj
We
have been
know.
making this whole thing up, and even Arvind and Gayatri hallucinated you being there. Sanatan showed up like, yeah, this guy, yeah. Anyway, moving on.
Whatever, man. Maybe it happened. Maybe it didn't. Who knows?
Yeah.
We do. That's what we're saying. We know.
Yes.
You can never know, by the way.
Nobody cares,
We
man.
can't.
There's no way to confirm, actually, speaking.
Dude,
Are you here?
I'm here. Yeah.
Who knows?
By the way, did you guys,
I don't.
yeah. Did you guys read about that tribe in the Amazon?
What did they do?
They gave them the internet, and they fucking lost
Big
it.
mistake.
Yeah,
Wait, what? Like a
So they-
uncontacted tribe?
yeah. So there was this.
Huh? Why was, how can they give them
पता
internet?
नहीं यार,
Bro, they contacted them.
some broad.
They gave them a phone or something?
अबे some broad क्या? Some broad gave them Elon Musk Starlink internet ऐसे कुछ दे दिया उसे. This uncontacted, maybe I don't know if it's an uncontacted tribe, but I guess they didn't have like high speed internet, and they all just became porn and social media addicts. And the elders are
yeah, the
flipping out.
same as us, right?
Yeah,
same
but,
as-
So this is the way.
but real yeah.
This is the way.
No, that's just social media, man.
Uh-huh.
But I doubt they were an uncontacted tribe because uncontacted tribe wouldn't even know what the fuck internet like.
The uncontacted name, but I guess I mean, you know, like they just
They
had.
probably
You think
yeah,
they-
they were probably a tribe that doesn't have internet.
You
Actually,
think they
There was-
fucking...
it was a tribe that had dial-up. They gave them Starlink.
yeah,
And
exactly.
they're like, wow,
yeah.
what the fuck?
You think they fucking tap some ayahuasca and like rub one out? Like,
Trip to some titties?
you think that's the, yeah?
Sure. That's-
Some shaman getting involved also.
That's
Matlab
what
your
I-
masturbation is also a fucking...
That's what I would have done. Yeah.
That's nice.
They don't need to masturbate. They got those men got like 40 wives or something, bro, in those tribes.
नहीं वो
हाँ.
चूते वो porn देख रहे हैं ठीक है.
अबे तू अपनी
Why doesn't-
Sunni Muslim fantasies.
मैं
40 wives.
Yeah.
कट्टर सुन्नी हूँ।
Fucking
कट्टर
Alibaba and
सुन्नी
40
हूँ।
truth here, bro.
Fucking Charlie's truth. That's whack. That's pretty whack, dude. Yeah, we should do that though. That could be good. That could be good orgy porn, you know.
What?
Title?
Sure.
Yeah.
What?
Like they have the, you know, Snow White and the 7 dicks or whatever the fuck. So you can
7 dongs, I'd say.
7 dongs, yeah, whatever the fuck, man. Yeah. 7 dykes. It could be Snow White and 7 dykes also. And the white is
Boobies,
Yeah, man, it is
boobies and the
Pride Month.
Beast.
Yeah.
Boobies and the
Probably
Beast.
Boobies, yeah.
It probably would be the 7 dykes.
Yeah, 7 dykes. Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah. So,
This beer is not sitting well with me actually.
what do you mean?
It's got me a little weird.
You mean little gassy like beer gets you?
Yeah.
beer, man.
That's beer.
I just don't drink. I just don't know what this.
It's a carbonated beverage.
अच्छा.
That.
और इसमें वो भी तो होता है गेहूं.
Yeah.
तो गेहूं भाई वोडका में भी होता है.
अच्छा.
Grey Goose is made of French wheat.
It's not like
made
it's not
out
like a
of
drink vodka by the way.
What do you? How you drink whiskey?
I'm a whiskey tequila guy or
Whiskey is
wine.
made out of what? Rye.
Malt. Malt, literally single malt.
अच्छा malt किस
Malt.
प्लांट का होता है भाई? किस क्रॉप का होता है?
Malt is its own thing, bro.
अबे I thought whiskey WH मतलब wheat.
Malt यार जो boost horlicks वगैरह में डलता है
Damn,
malt.
man.
I thought wheat
whiskey
से
का पौधा नहीं whiskey का पौधा.
Yeah.
एक whiskey का बीज बो दे.
Yeah. Gin. GI मतलब.
Glen निकलेगी इसमें से.
GIN मतलब ginger से बनती है. By that logic, it's just fucked. I mean, you know.
जड़ से हटा दो बस जिन रहेगा. Finish.
Yeah, but
That's silly. Yeah.
like you know, Grey Goose is made of wheat. I know that.
What's the I was on I was under the impression that vodka is made from potatoes.
Yes,
Yes,
that's
that's
potato
true.
vodka.
Which one?
All of it.
Stolichnaya would be potato.
Stolichnaya is okay.
I think most of
दिखाइए
them.
बोतल?
Russian vodkas are typically potato vodka.
Stolichnaya दिखाइए.
Yeah,
हाँ, ऐसे.
yeah. These are typically potato
Certified alpha
vodkas.
grade spirit, bad premium vodka.
I thought most vodkas are potato, no?
Most Russian vodkas are.
No, it's grain.
It's grain, so it must be some
But
grain.
it's
So,
Latvia.
for example,
It's
see, I don't drink a lot of vodka, but I drink
What the fuck?
Grey Goose. Grey Goose is wheat, and I also know Belvedere is rye, Polish rye or something like that.
Interesting.
Nice.
This
So
is
they are-
Latvian, by the way.
Oh wait, it's not Russian.
No, it's Latvian.
No, Soli's not. Latvian.
Yeah, close enough though.
और मेरे को एक काम करियो, मेरे को ना वो एक सिगार के डब्बे से सिगार ले आइयो.
Yeah, it says
और एक
Latvia.
यहाँ पे ना वो मोटा वाला लाइटर होता है मेरा.
With a name like Stolichnaya, I thought it was
Yeah.
Russian.
It's East, yeah, whatever, Slavic.
I know
The name is Slavic.
Yeah.
I knew a Latvian girl once.
Okay.
Rapper.
Yeah.
Nuts.
Rapper.
Yeah.
So she must be hot as hell.
Yeah.
Yeah, they usually are. They're very pretty
But-
women up there. Yeah,
Wait a
they
second.
are.
Yeah.
All of them.
No, well.
In
can't-
general,
I don't know about that, Chief.
which place?
I'm
None,
just not
none
like-
all of them
Which
are.
place
Exact-
has the most, on average, the most beautiful women?
Palam.
No. No.
He said it.
You tell me.
Ahmedabad.
अबे इंडिया इंडिया छोड़ दो यार.
India छोड़ दो.
India छोड़ो.
Oh, whoa.
साले देशद्रोही.
Whoa, hold on.
Fucking anti-national.
Hold the fuck on, man. What does that mean, bro?
Fucking Raj Babbar opposer.
Guys, come on, please.
I don't know. I just don't generalize
I know.
like that. I don't generalize like that.
I know.
Okay, go. Yeah, sure.
It's Brazil. Brazil
No
has
way.
the pretty, yes, they do.
Nah, that's too much.
Brazil just most consistently
they
wins.
have the most. They have
They
the
have
most
diff-
mixed population.
Too many big tits and big asses for me. I can't do that. That's not for me. I can't do it.
No, I'm just saying.
You're
in
more
general,
the
Yeah.
white girl. Yeah.
regular Brazilian people are very
Meaning,
good.
white
with it.
girl की बात नहीं है. I just don't like big tits or big asses.
What the hell?
I don't like
What do you like? Small tits and small asses.
the medium ass and small tits. Yes.
Small tits is weird, bro.
I just, why is it weird?
The shoe.
He's got small tits. You've got
I was just
small
gonna
tits.
say, you
Sure.
kind of fit the bill.
That's
I
great.
don't have
Will.
tits, bro.
That's
You have
great.
medium ass and small tits.
That's it for me. That's
don't
all.
have
That's
tits.
all
I
I
have
need.
medium tits. You have small
I don't
tits.
have
Watch,
tits,
watch
guys.
out.
You guys have tits.
I don't need a whole lot going on, man. You know, I'm okay with like B cups and like a solid ass.
Yo.
Right, you don't want her tits to be bigger than yours.
Right. It's a competition. It's a
I
competition.
mean, question.
इसका complex हो जाता है.
Question.
I get insecure, bro. It's an insecure. By the way, Anna's dick should be smaller than mine as well. Yes, if
Well,
then we've got
no luck there.
Yeah, her dick better be small. Yeah.
dick better be
That I
smaller.
can't do that.
But no, I get that. I get that because what?
He's
I
cracking
don't know why
up.
I found that so funny.
No, but see, on the other point, what is the alternative? You wish that your tits are bigger than hers? I don't know. What is the alternative? Like, so you know. I don't know.
Huh? You wish that your tits are bigger than hers. Wasn't he saying your tits are smaller than mine? Or something like that. Anyway, I'm confused a little. This
Hey,
beer's got
whatever.
me weird, dude. Because it's not just the
Weird
alcohol.
beer.
It's not the alcohol. I guess it's the insulin up and down, whatever the fuck.
Okay, Mr.
Yeah,
Diabetes.
that's-
This
fucking
will
weird.
spike your insulin.
तेरे को शुगर हो रहा
As
है?
would anything.
शुगर हो क्या रहा है मेरी फैमिली में पूरा है ना
ओ जी शुगर हो गया
शुगर हो गया
शुगर हो गया यार.
that's funny yeah उसको हार्ट हो गया है
उसको हार्ड हो गया.
उसको
अरे उसको कलेजे में कलेजा हुआ है उसको.
उसको कलेजा someone mentally
यार उसको
ill
गॉल ब्लैडर हो गया पता है?
वो तो बोलते ही है उसके उसके यार गॉल ब्लैडर हो गया. क्या हुआ? उसका अपेंडिक्स हो गया. हो गया अभी हुआ है.
someone schizophrenic उसको दिमाग हो गया है
उसका भेजा हो
यार
गया.
मेरा भी हो जाए दिमाग.
उसका भेजा हो गया bro.
उसका मगज हो गया. यम.
मगज damn man
That be tasty.
Dude, इसने खिलाया था मेरे को मगज कुछ महीने पहले for the first time.
It's
मैंने.
like a year like
First
nearly 2 years
I
ago
keep hearing that his Taiji makes every Sunday or every Friday or some shit.
once a week
It tastes
Ha,
like
whatever.
it tastes like scrambled egg, bro.
It's
I
really
love-
good. It's
I
really
love
good.
it.
I love magas
And yes, when it's made right, yeah, it does.
yeah
मेरी भी ताईजी cousin ताईजी जिसको मैं ताईजी बुलाता हूँ वो पुणे में रहते हैं वो भी बनाती है. So but I don't have it that often because I don't
I
go
don't
to
have a
Pune.
taiji. I don't call anybody
the
taiji.
exclusive
तो वो
domain
मेरे
is
डैड
Taiji.
के cousin की wife है. I don't have an actual
is
ताईजी.
dad's older brother's wife
Dad's older brother's wife would be my
ताईजी.
खाला और something
Phopi or something?
Phopi
No,
नहीं फूफा तो वो होता है यार वो
फूफा बुआ का husband
बुआ
होता
का
है.
husband होता है
बुआ क्या होता है? I don't know.
बुआ
this.
is
Father,
dad's
Sister.
dad's sister yeah
Father sister's husband is फूफा.
okay bro
Dad's जीजा.
चचेरा चाचा type beat
Yeah, I don't know all this.
It's fucking yeah missing with that shit bro I don't know
Yeah. मैं तो
बिल्लियों पे concentrate कर
नहीं
रहा हूँ.
अंकल आंटी बता देता हूँ. मैं नाम से मैं तो I don't need to say.
by the way वो जो पिक्चर
Like-
थी ना हमारे 12 उसको
Right.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने स्टे कर दिया you can't release
अच्छा वो रिलीज नहीं हो रही?
yeah because Bombay High Court passed it and the lawyer whatever
Thank God.
Yeah,
That
so-
looked like such garbage
because
propaganda.
I actually thought कि वो सरदार का वाली पिक्चर है
नहीं मुस्लिम्स के बारे में थी.
हमारे 12 यार
हाँ.
हमारे 12 साथ चलो भाई
ओ बल्ले.
तो मैं ट्रेलर देखा एक्साइटेड I was like what the fuck this
Yeah,
is
trailer was
this is
so
racism
weird.
this is religious religious
I have not seen.
religiosity
No, it was
What is it
quite
called?
fucked up.
it was discriminatory it's basically हमारे बारे I mean it's like it's some Muslim family and there's
Very
anyway.
stereotypical and not even stereotypical. Like
it looked like
stereotypes are based on some form of reality, but it's
You know,
like
like-
this was
yeah.
complete mumbo jumbo. पता नहीं
Cheap-
Is it
Cheaper by
like
the
black
dozen.
people in KFC or something? Like what?
No, it was that Muslims are against Hindus, like violently against Hindus, and like
Not
we have
that.
some agenda to like.
not that it's like the family unit
Improper
the woman
gender.
is oppressed and they have this large family something like that I mean
Yeah,
that-
like
that
they,
was
they
the
showed
gist.
Muslims in like a very bad light,
that was the gist
and it's just which is not really true. So
yeah
yeah, I'm glad that happened.
Well, not
Yeah,
all of
some
it.
Muslim parents have one child and they realize it's done. Do not.
Yeah, and then their
Go
marriage
down
breaks,
this one.
na, that's
Yeah.
right.
exhibit A
But this is yeah.
Yeah,
Some improper gender they were trying to push.
but on and off chalta rehta.
improper agenda
yes.
right
Shout out.
no but yeah so I believe the Bombay High Court passed it there was a lawyer appointed from the side of the prosecution this Muslim lawyer only and he agreed on some dialogues to be cut but the Supreme Court was like not good enough stay the release
Good
So
good
बाद
only, good only.
yeah no one needs by the way a bad version of Cheaper by the Dozen
Yeah.
that's not entertaining not fun
You know,
Boo.
but I'll
Boo.
say one
12
thing.
angry men, but they're all just 12 Muslim brothers.
right
Yeah, but it probably would
Uh-huh.
have got a lot of viewership. It probably get some.
It's,
butts
it's,
and
it's,
seats.
it's a weird moment we're caught in.
In Ayodhya.
In this country. In Ayodhya.
हैं?
हैं? वहाँ पे तो वोट आउट किया ना यार. मार्केट तो पकड़ ढंग से. टमाटर.
लेकिन जो वहाँ बैठे हैं.
एक काम कर इसमें कुछ डाल दे थोड़ी सी. I guess just get me fucked up because I'm confused today.
Yeah, go ahead, get fucked up.
Go for it. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up.
Well, what do I drink this with? I just never drink vodka. I don't know what to.
I drink it usually with water, soda, or you could,
Nikhil.
if you have some dry vermouth, you could make a martini.
Driver Mooth?
Driver की मूत.
That's actually what I heard, by the way.
What the fuck?
Like a fortified wine. basically.
बुला ले यार नौशाद को.
That's not sweet. Shut up, guys.
Nice. Good
Yeah.
sesh.
Good sesh.
Good says now we're just getting drunk. Nobody cares about the podcast. We were supposed to do a
That's
podcast, guys. Do you remember?
I was actually willing to smoke today, but I can't.
What do you mean smoke today?
मतलब
Like
Shut up.
Like a cigarette?
Dude,
Yeah,
nobody cares.
Or roll a doob or something.
roll a cigarette.
Roll a, Achha, roll a funny cigarette. That's what they call them.
Oh my god,
Oh
guys.
my god.
I'm off tobacco.
We won't be
now.
able to post this episode. Just shut up.
What the fuck? I mean,
Arey,
as long
I've
as
got all these herbal mixes.
It's all
na.
talk, man. Talk is cheap, bro. You know?
Yeah.
Unless you do it. on
Abhi, so
cam.
now I'm experimenting with rolling tobacco kind of things, and I'm getting the orange flavor,
Okay,
strawberry
मेरे को मत
flavor,
सुना, मेरे को
whatever.
नहीं सुनना.
हाँ. Strawberry?
Anyway, so
तू देख चुका है साथ के साथ.
निर्दोष strawberry वो बताइए.
निर्दोष strawberry.
निर्दोष
अच्छा मैं
strawberry.
ये कह रहा था, you don't like fat tits, fat ass, fat girls basically, right?
This really offended him, by the way.
Not for
But
me.
I'm just saying, like, dude, if think of it like this, you're into the stock market, right?
Okay.
है ना?
I'm into the stock market.
Whoa, hold
Like,
on.
you know
Let's see where
about
he's,
it.
let's see where he's
Yes,
going with
sure.
You
this.
know about investing.
Go on, yes.
So
For the
think
purpose
of,
of this
think
argument.
of fat girls like a long-term investment, bro. Like you date a fat girl, उसको gym भेजो, उसको पतला करो, and then
उसको जिम भेजो. नहीं सुन
नहीं, एक
एक सेकंड
10 साल
एक
में
सेकंड वो कारपेट नहीं है
नहीं,
वो
एक-
बंदी है उसको जिम भेजो वो चिट्ठी है कि तू भेज रहा है जा रही है
तू ना you by the way
I'm
you
just saying in
you're
10 years when she gets
you're,
skinny,
you're totally
then
lost.
you get your return on
No,
investment.
you're totally lost. Okay, by the way, a fat girl, if the analogy is a stock market, would be something like a fucking Nokia. Okay, as opposed to you want a long-term investment like an Apple, where the returns are like maybe like 5% a year, but it's steady over the course of take 2 decades.
हाँ तो धीरे धीरे
So-
पतली होगी ना वो
So no, that's
एक रात में थोड़ी हो
the
जाएगी.
opposite.
अगर बहुत ही धीरे हो
That's
गई
the
तो
opposite.
बहन जी 60 साल की उम्र तक पहुंच
Yeah.
I'm
जाएगी
just saying.
That's
I
more
got-
like so. Let me.
I love
Apple-
my fat tunes.
Apple, yeah, Apple stock is like regular like middle of the road. What would be like a modern, for example? Okay, so yeah, okay. Top of the line for example, Nvidia.
like investing-
Nvidia stock is hot. Khushi Kapoor, okay. Apple steady, whatever the fuck, medium, somewhere down the middle of the road. Vamika Gabbi.
you've
Okay,
gone and done
a
it
fatty,
now
a fatty.
I know, I
You've
know.
done it. You've done it. Okay. So like a fatty
Fuck
who
you.
needs to be put in line. Who
Yeah.
needs to be who needs to get into shape. I don't even know who the fat what are the fatties in Bollywood, huh?
Neha Dhupia these days
Neha Dhupia these yeah. She,
but
she
she's also
yeah,
old.
exactly. She
but she's older now also and I guess she's
Sure.
let go of that pressure but
she loses some weight, she can still get it.
I'm just saying.
she can still
Fat
get it
girls
even
are
without
not
losing
getting
even without
I'm
losing
not
the
that
weight
bad.
Well, that's I don't know about that.
be kind
Sure. With the blindfold
Dude,
on.
see, would you hold on? Here, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question.
Go on.
Would you rather take a fat girl or an ugly girl? There's only
It's-
one
it's-
right
it's
answer.
one and the
There's
same,
only
Will.
one right answer.
It's really
yes, because
depend-
a fat girl can get skinny, bro.
ugly का मतलब क्या है? तू खुद तो कहता है कि how can you say beautiful, how can you say hot, how can you say ugly?
Ugly, you know what I mean? Somebody
bro all
who's
girls are
not-
beautiful end of story
नहीं, मतलब to someone she will be, but I'm just saying.
Right.
except
ugly
the
to
ones
you.
that are not
Ugly to you,
Yeah, I mean, of course,
right?
fat because fat you can lose. Ugly, I mean, you gotta get plastic surgery.
Yeah,
You know,
if
yeah.
you're ugly or
Yeah, for a fat girl, you just gotta put her in a cage and not give her food for 3 months. And uggo bitch, what are you gonna do, man? Spend
सुन ले
30,
भाई जिम में
Bro.
spend 30K on plastic surgery? Are you
no
nuts?
you missed
That's
no,
insane.
no
By the way, if
because,
anybody wants
because
to
you
lose
can't
weight,
just
ना come to my mother. वो she helps with that kind of stuff. उनका वही business है.
no but the idea is look I was fat girl in a cage now if you're in a cage alone you just lose weight nothing happens you got to put 2 fat girls in the cage and give them no food So then one has to kill the other. So there's a workout.
No, but they'll eat the other one, bro. You're forgetting it.
Oh my god.
But that's all protein. But that's all protein.
No, there's a lot of fat. It's a fat bitch. What the fuck are you saying, man?
Damn it.
God damn, bro.
I don't think
Oh
they
my
die.
god. Okay, let's change the topic.
Unless it's
bro.
like monkey birds.
We're going to get in a lot of trouble. Let's just change the topic.
Whoa, we're gonna get a lot of trouble with this.
I love women. Why are we doing this?
Yeah, even I love fat women. Anyway,
I love all women.
so what else has happened?
What else is
I
happening?
will tell you.
I'll tell you.
Please do.
Hold on.
Okay.
Because I hold on, I got some segments.
लिख क्या है कुछ?
हाँ मैं आज notes बनाए हैं मैंने after a long time. I was
तू
like,
बता दे, मैं तो हर बार लाता हूँ.
मैम
हमारे बार हो गए।
मैं न्यूज़
वो-
पढ़ के आ रहा हूँ. मैं
I'm
सोचा
just-
क्लास में कुछ सुना दूँ.
today
नहीं, हम सब साथ में न्यूज़ देखते
today I've just found out that Manisha Lamba is a professional poker player.
Bro, I knew
Do you-
that.
do you
You
know
know how
that?
I know that? You know how I know that for sure already?
Right.
Because when Manisha Lamba came onto the scene, she was like 42, but pretended to be 25 sort of thing. I mean, vibe
Okay.
wise, that was the whole thing. 'Cause she was just like Malika Sherawat and
Right.
Manisha Lamba. These were two actresses who were much older than was projected.
Right.
You know, when they came onto the scene.
Okay,
Whatever.
okay, okay.
So it's like-
you know too much.
Yeah, dude.
That's
I
a
just
little
grew
bit.
up on Bollywood, man.
Yeah. Nikhil नहीं है यहाँ पे. Call
I
Nikhil.
like how half between Chandi.
Because I-
Yeah,
Because I called him already earlier. Okay, Amazon का given internet hijacked by porn कर लिया.
Hey, Stoli
Pride-
Kitoli.
Pride month. So by the way, I don't not Pride month. So how are you celebrating at Dripstu? Possession. Oh, there's a Possession remake underway with Robbie Patts.
I like how you know the note to ask Rishu.
Robbie Patts.
Celebrating Pride Month.
How are you celebrating? at
Yeah, because apparently I'm gay and I'm a
You-
female or
well,
whatever.
you're the one who has porn necklaces. man.
Which one are you? Because
Dude, there is nothing wrong with a pearl necklace, you dumb fuck.
if you
Tell that to
notice,
people on the internet.
if you notice, I never said shit
tell,
about
that
it.
to, tell that to the people on the
आज
internet.
पहन के आया हूँ ना मैं pendant. This is better.
Nikhil इधर आ जा, please. This is better. Yes, it's definitely
इसमें
more
किसका नाम
masculine.
है? किसका नाम
It's
लिखा है?
definitely
Photo
less-
वोटो है?
No, it's a
किसी
little penguin.
It's less homosexual.
I got this little penguin in
Oh,
Goa.
this is from Goa, right? From the
Yeah.
on the beach.
का? Penguins are monogamous.
No. Just the little penguin is from the beach. This chain is I had पहले से. And I just attached the penguin to my chain.
So you know,
That's
na
cute.
penguins are monogamous. You are nogamous.
What do you mean? I'm also
They are
monogamous.
no pussy.
I'm not like you
Yeah, they are
fucking sluts.
they are monogamous. You are nogamous. That's
What do you
a-
mean? I have a
Zero.
girlfriend, bro.
हमारे बारे में
Yeah, I wanted to hear it. Ah, Balle.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. That's
Congratulations to Rishu.
I don't know for how long, but
हाँ.
Congratulations to Rishu and
नींबू
Sanil.
खत्म हो गया ना?
dude,
अच्छा, एक दफा
don't say any name.
Rishu and Rishabh.
Yeah.
स्टील की बोतल इधर ले. Is it okay if I mix, because I have some nimbu pani from home, it's like nimbu and salt. If I were to mix that with vodka, with salt in it, is that fine?
Salt? I mean, you could.
नींबू
You
नहीं है
can-
और
you can-
नींबू और है नहीं. वो बोतल ले आ स्टील वाली. हाँ.
You can definitely mix lemon, nimbu, lemonade.
And vodka for sure.
Yeah, that I know. By the way, hello.
Hello.
I've been drinking alcohol
But
Bro.
I don't know how the salt will
Since
taste.
17
But it should be
years.
fine, bro. I mean, at the end of the day, it's
since 14 years of age probably.
what?
Actually, it was 14 years of age that I first got caught. And then my dad hit me with a belt
With the belt.
the first time.
Sick, bro.
Then he apologized.
I've never been hit by
He
a
hit me
belt.
once and then he apologized. That's it.
When you got caught drinking.
खत्म.
भाई मुझे तो 10
No, because
12
it was like the end of 7th grade का ना final exam से और हम लोग 32nd milestone गए थे और रास्ते में फिर ना
Really?
yes रास्ते में फिर जयेश जैदका के what's his face जयेश जैदका शाश्वत रॉय Adi Singh, one of the drivers got us breezers. We drank breezers and smoked cigarettes.
Yeah. तो मार खाएगा ही bro.
मार खाई bro.
चूड़ी पहन के सिगरेट फूक रहा है.
Fucking 13.
So how did you get caught?
13
Huh?
year old with a little.
How did you get caught? What was the
I don't want to.
घर ऐसे ही आ गए
हाँ?
चूतियों की तरह ऐसे ही घर आ गए
नहीं अबे घर आके कोई नहीं हुआ 1-2 दिन बाद पता चला क्योंकि मैं फोन पे बात कर रहा था. My mother picked up the phone because it was a landline phone.
Oh my god!
I was-
I hate that shit. Yeah, oh my, yeah, that was a thing.
Yeah.
हमारे भी घर में we had these two.
मेरे साथ
lines.
कभी नहीं हुआ है बिकॉज हमारे घर में लैंडलाइन मतलब था
फोन नहीं
तो
था.
वी हैड अ
और एक
नंबर
एस्ट्रे भी लिया भाई. हेलो.
बट हमारे पास फोन नहीं था.
फोन नहीं था.
नंबर था
अच्छा.
फोन नहीं था.
No, because with us, like every room had a phone and we had an intercom at home, no?
समझ गया
So we
मैं.
could call within
समझ
rooms.
गया मैं,
So
समझ
if my mother picked up, she could fucking.
Listening into your conversation, that's weird, bro.
Well, it was accidental.
Right.
Yeah.
What timing है?
Yeah.
Yeah, like आंटी ऐसे फोन उठा रहे हैं मैं फोन करके पूछती हूँ ओ यार सुट्टा सूप के दारू पी के कितना मजा आया था कल
उस दिन का
परसों
सिर
ओ
घुमा था
तेरी
bro।
By the way, पता है वो
ब्रीजर से क्या ब्रीज आया ब्रो सिर घुमा मेरा
By the way,
ओए होए बल्ले
मोदी की कैबिनेट निकल गई.
Yeah,
मतलब they've released and Smriti Irani got nothing.
yeah, because she's not an
She
MP.
didn't win
no?
a- yeah
Yeah, but that's pretty funny to me.
it's pretty regular to me
Yeah, I didn't-
Makes a lot of sense. I mean,
yeah
Oh, it doesn't. Okay.
so you know Rahul sorry no right
yeah. Go on.
no
Rahul?
joke wasn't gonna work so
Acha.
I deleted it
Oh, thank God.
To-
Wow.
today I've
Wait,
got
this-
some awareness
This is a new feature. Huh? It's an upgrade.
मैंने undo मार दिया
Firmware
और
upgrade.
क्या हुआ? रुको मैं और बताता
By
हूँ.
the
और
way-
चीजें मेरे पास.
We're not complaining.
Trump.
Thank
oh yeah
you.
I know
Swallow more bad jokes, by the way.
Yeah.
swallow more is obviously something on your mind
Uh-huh.
yeah
Yeah.
you should take notes small titties
नेतन्याहू का वो war cabinet minister ने resign कर दिया.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's too bad, bro.
That's too bad now. Yeah, because I guess
So
people are
it's
against.
just gonna
it
take
now.
longer to mark all the Muzzies in
Yeah.
Palestine.
No, he's on pace.
how much
right
longer
now.
though
Actually. Wait,
If he keeps going, अभी
I'm not waiting.
अगले साल तक कोई नहीं बचेगा. Literally इसी साल सबको खत्म कर देगा वो.
नहीं, but
देखो
he-
मतलब उसने 4 hostages को बचाने के लिए 270 Gazans को मारा है.
yeah that whole
Damn.
thing in this is yeah I know
And he still killed 3 of his own hostages also.
No, it's really fucked. I mean, like, you know, like, it's one thing to say,
But-
ki, haan, theek hai, they were attacked, so they responded, but like, this perpetual ignorance of the fact that you are putting
Dude,
civilians at risk.
the people.
Okay, no. Yeah, listen. It's okay to go against Hamas, which is a paramilitary organization, but when civilians lives are being put at risk, that's
Kids.
nuts, man.
put
That's
at risk not even
insane.
not even
When
put at
people-
risk they're being targeted
They're not
how
being
is he-
targeted.
how is he-
beheading
when
kids and beheading babies is targeting brother
How is he?
Beheading,
uh,
I don't know.
there's a
not
lot of
beheading, but they are
yeah
getting
no
beheaded
no
by the bombs. They are not
brother.
actually sitting there beheading them, dumbass.
Yeah, that's
They're getting beheaded by the bombs.
yeah. Hello.
And they're getting shot. What do you think they're doing, bro?
You don't want to lose all the Jewish lobby money right now? Can you please?
देखो क्या लग रहा है वो जो
Shit,
सड़क
yeah,
पे
they're funding
खड़े
us,
हुए
bro.
गले काट रहे हैं, गधे. But yeah, I mean, he's no better than ISIS or fucking Hitler or whoever the fuck, you know. He's no better than them.
ISIS or Hitler, whatever I
Same
do,
thing.
spectrum.
Yeah.
Pol Pot.
He's
Yeah.
single-handedly like causing a genocide or creating a genocide.
No,
So,
it is fucked.
yeah, it's like I don't even know how to feel about it.
and
Let's
those
drink-
4
let's drink to
hostages
that.
whatever they wanted
Cheers.
to do a deal and exchange and whatever so they didn't have to kill anybody
L'chaim.
but they just didn't want to negotiate with the Palestinians
Yeah,
so
I mean,
Wait,
I
what are we
don't
doing this
think, they
end of the
can-
war yes
To all the dead babies. Cheers.
Yeah, cheers, man.
Cheers to all the dead babies.
But yeah, it's quite fucked.
It's not the worst. I mean, I feel the salt and it's wrong a little bit.
I feel like I was doing it right before the vodka separate and this separate was better
Uh-huh.
I had a sip of that I had a sip that was
It's,
great
it
Now
is
I mix-
wrong.
now that I
It
mix
feels
them,
wrong.
now that I mix them it's like yeah
It's wrong.
it's like nimbu pani
Oh, by the way-
kadwa ho gaya.
Yeah. It's like dating a
It
Dalit
needed
girl.
this probably needed some sugar and shit
Yikes.
and whatever
Yikes.
Wrong.
dating what
A Dalit
Nothing.
girl.
Don't repeat it. Just let it go. अच्छा, by the way, मरने से याद आया, जम्मू कश्मीर में भी 30 लोग मर गए.
Rias.
so
क्या नाम है?
basically Wednesday
Sorry.
afternoon
What's the name of the region? Rias or
I guess होगा
Ria-
कोई
Riala?
जम्मू
where
कश्मीर.
There was some attack ना Pakistan ने attack करा है हम पे
Yeah, and on a
because they
bus.
beat them in fucking
So
football.
they shot down a bus and the bus fell into a gorge and 30 people died.
USA ने भी गांड मार दी और
And
इंडिया ने
फिर-
भी गांड मार दी बैडमिंटन में.
Badminton में?
Whatever the World Cup is
I
going
spent the past 2 days with
T20.
I spent the past 2 days with the journalist so I have no idea what's going on in the world
अबे basically Pakistan was angry because
because China beat them in
because USA
swimming.
beat them in a cricket match
in swimming.
and then we fucking shat on their face
that was a bit extreme of us
in the T20 match, bro. You know what? It was
the Pakistan India
we
match
broke
Oh, I
a world
didn't see
record.
it.
We broke the world record in shitting on
We
people's faces.
broke a world record. The lowest chase ever
defended some shit
yeah, ever like
Oh really?
defended, yeah.
No, but hold on
in
a
a
second.
T20
That would
World
have been
Cup
In a
maybe
T20
maybe in
World
a
Cup.
T20 World
no,
Cup
but that would have been for the USA match, right? Because there was a lower target. Was it not yesterday?
The India
110
USA
हाँ 110
no
था
no
110 था. He's right.
110 था, so that would have been.
But USA didn't defend it, na.
अच्छा है? अच्छा
One
US
second.
batted first.
Oh, that's different. So is in the India-Pakistan match, India batted
batted
first, they
first and
set
then
the
we
match.
defended
So we,
that-
okay,
They
we
defended
defended
that
the lowest target
rather
as
than
opposed to-
chasing a smaller
right,
number.
right,
Yeah.
right.
And by the way, I don't know if you did you watch the India USA match yesterday?
Man was-
Virat Kohli duck.
मैं देखा वो मैंने देखा
Bro, पिछले 3 मैच
वो मैं क्योंकि मैं घर आया था I saw my dad watching and I was like अरे ये आते सारी मर गया बेचारा
ब्रो पिछले 3 मैचेस में पहले मैच में उसने 5 रन बनाए, फिर दूसरे मैच में उसने 2 रन बनाए और अब पहली बॉल पे आउट हो गया.
ये बट ऐसे ही करते हैं ना रेगुलरली आई थिंक
नहीं
नहीं.
पागल है, he's our best player.
Kohli,
Sorry, my bad.
in fact, Kohli.
He's literally our best
This is the
player.
first time it's happening because Kohli is like a tournament goat. Also, any
Yes.
tournament, Kohli in every match in the last
The fact
World
that
Cup,
we are still winning is miraculous.
last World Cup, bloody 8 out of 9
You know
matches
why
he
it
scored
is,
100 or some shit like
You know
whatever
why it's
50.
happening,
Like
right?
he's consistent as shit. Highest run scorer in all these tournaments, whether India wins or not, whatever. He's clutch
अच्छा shut up. Do you know why it's happening, right?
because you started supporting Team India.
No, because he is starting. उसको वो 3rd number पे आता है हमेशा.
Yeah, why is he opening?
I don't understand why. I do not understand.
कैप्टन कौन है कप्तान
रोहित.
रोहित शर्मा
Yes.
मोटा नहीं है वो
हाँ.
मोटा है but वो बहुत सही खेलता है यार.
चलो ठीक है कप्तान मैं तो ऐसे
वो कितने पे आउट हुआ?
I was inquiring about his
इस बार
physical-
तो वो कम पे ही आउट हुआ है. हम बस पंत के भरोसे चल रहे हैं हम. एंड लास्ट yesterday तो सूर्या कुमार प्लेड एंड उनकी पार्टनरशिप. बट डूड अगर हमारे पास पंत नहीं होता ना हम हार रहे होते अभी तक.
अच्छा
We would have lost to Pakistan without Pant.
हम्म.
We would have lost to USA also without Pant and without Siraj.
और बुमराह क्या कर रहा है आजकल
He's killing it, bro.
वो बुमे
He's
मार रहा है.
probably our best bowler.
Oh, really?
I would say, yeah. And best fielder.
And generally India's best bowler
fielder
happens
Siraj
to be
को
the
मिला,
world.
पता है देखो.
Cricket is pretty cool.
Generally,
Cricket is a lot of fun.
generally India का जो best bowler होता है वो world का best bowler होता है at that point in time, more or less.
I mean,
Bumrah
not
was
always, bro.
last year तो certainly Bumrah was the best bowler in
Not
the world.
always,
In
bro. Australia को देखा है तूने?
last year Bumrah was the best bowler in the world. This I remember very well.
You're just talking about modern cricket, bro.
What about the USA? Who's playing
Oh,
for
I
the
think
USA?
The USA is a bunch of Indians playing.
Oh really?
बस
Bunch of
बुमराह का
Indians,
Oh,
bunch
that's
of
pretty
West
cool.
Indies.
Is it a
Bum-
brown team?
Yeah.
बुमराह का cousin, युवराज सिंह का cousin,
सब
ऋषभ
उनके
पंत का
सारे नाम
cousin.
ऐसे ही हैं, कुमार यादव सब ऐसे ही हैं.
सब
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, yeah.
बेसिकली क्या किया
That's
होगा
fucking nuts.
ये ट्रम्प बाइडेन लोग
Wait,
ये इनके
and
गांव आए इन्होंने
some-
कहा यहाँ से एक एक
Dude,
और उठा
उनका
लो
स्पॉन्सर पता है कौन है? उनकी
Uh,
टीम का स्पॉन्सर पता है कौन है?
Jio.
अमूल.
Amul. and are some of
The
them
taste of
I'm
America.
wondering, are some of them Pakistani origin brown people in
Could be,
India?
yes, could
sorry, in the US
Yeah,
could
playing
be.
for the
Must
US.
be.
देसी.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
So
Yeah.
India Pakistan together team.
They also have a lot
मतलब
of,
जैसे हमारा अगर पार्टीशन ना हुआ होता तो जो टीम है वो यूएसए में बन रही है.
हाँ. But उसमें कोई
नहीं.
गोरे भी तो होंगे एक दो गोरे भी
हाँ
तो
भाई
होंगे यार.
देख यूएस
कल्लू
की
कल्लू
एक दो
यूएस
गोरे
की
नहीं
टीम में
है?
यूएस की टीम
गोरे
में
गोरे नहीं है कोई एक दो.
एक दो हैं हाँ
देख तो यूएस की टीम में
बहुत कम है but-
यूएस की टीम में शोएब अख्तर सचिन तेंदुलकर दोनों साथ में खेल सकते हैं. वाओ है ना.
Dude, can you imagine Sachin and Shoaib on the,
I literally just imagined that's how yes.
yeah, that would be pretty insane.
That would be nice.
That would have been nuts.
Inzamam and
Bro.
Sachin.
Nuts.
Bro, imagine.
It's her mom? Sure.
In's your mom.
Oh fuck.
It's your mom, I'll fuck.
It's a mom you'll fuck.
You would, yeah.
Yeah.
But I thought
Literally
you were
you
into
are,
fat
no?
bitches, bro.
But I was by the way, I
Hey,
wasn't
if there
calling
was
your
ever
mother
a fat bitch, if there was ever a
I
fat
was
bitch,
certainly not calling your mother fat, but
Dicks
sure.
are real, yeah.
Sure.
you know so you know Inzamam al Haq
Yeah,
was
yeah.
was very famously called Alu.
Alu.
Was his nickname like Alu?
Because
And
of-
because you're fat ass. No other reason. This was early 2000s, late
Oh,
90s.
okay, so
people-
that's the joke. I didn't know.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
even like I remember at the 2007 World Cup or some shit. They
Yeah.
were playing against Canada or some crap. He was fielding at the boundary. One of the audience guys behind him was going, Alu, Alu, usko marne chala gaya. There's a full video and shit. Like this happened.
Dude, still better than all these people fucking calling Hardik Chhapri for no reason, man.
There are
he
reasons.
is Chhabri.
There are reasons.
It literally is factual. Yes.
वो भी गुस्सा हो जाता है जब पूरा स्टेडियम छपरी के
Chapri. But it's like, it's a positive rant. Sorry, what is it called? Rant?
बट डूड उसने
Chant.
इतनी विकेट्स लेता है यार वो अब
हाँ.
आजकल
Yeah.
बाउंसर डाल रहा है आजकल वो.
He's going to prove himself. Apparently the wife, the marriage is not broken. They're together, apparently, right?
Yeah, because he started playing better.
Okay, right.
उसको बस इसी से
It's
मतलब
like
है.
fuck better.
उसको
Yeah,
उसको
exactly.
लगा होगा T20 टीम से निकल रहा है ये तो अब चलो मैं भी चलती हूँ.
No, by the way, goes to prove our thesis.
What?
Yeah,
शादी मत करो.
just be a better man.
India
No.
में.
Bitches are just materialists. Which is just
Dude, I
So when you say
just-
our theory,
our thesis.
bro, don't
Our-
involve us in it. I have never. said
you
this.
are, sir, you are Einstein. You are Oppenheimer.
Oppenheimer.
You are Aryabhatta.
Oppenheimer.
Oppenheimer.
Yeah.
You are Schrödinger.
Correct.
Schrödinger.
Schrodinger's bitch.
Schrödinger's क्या पता.
Schrodinger's क्या पता. Schrodinger's bitch.
Throw back to episode 1.
Yeah.
But was that? Oh, speaking of sports, the Euros are starting. Football is starting on Friday. The basically
Are you
Europe.
guys watching the NBA finals?
शुरू हो गया?
चल रहे हैं. Now basically over, bro. You know who's losing?
Is it the final now?
Yeah,
the
it's the
seven?
NBA finals. It's Dallas Mavericks versus Boston Celtics.
Well, that's interesting.
So Mavericks is winning?
You would think, but they are 3-0 down.
Oh my
Luka is
god!
not getting a championship.
Fucking Shark Tank boy, what's his name?
Luka Doncic.
Abbe name.
Yeah, he's talking
The
about Mike.
owner. Dallas
Oh.
Mavericks ka owner is that guy who
Oh,
comes
I
on
don't
Shark
know,
Tank, yaar.
I'm forgetting. I'm blanking on his name. also.
So am I. I can see his face clear as day.
That
in
big
front.
Jew boy. I forget
Yes.
his name. I forget his name.
With the jaw like Mr. Incredible.
What the fuck is his name, man?
He owns Dallas Mavericks.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, but they're losing. Or Connor's team. Kyrie Irving.
That's in Celtics, no? Or he's in Mavericks now. He used to be in Celtics a couple years ago.
Yeah, he was.
Wow.
Before that, he was in Cavs with.
I thought Kylie was
Yeah.
one of the Kardashians.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're both 5'7", so.
Yeah.
Who's 5'7"?
Jenner?
Kyrie is
Kendall
5'9".
Jenner? Kendall
Kyrie's
Jenner?
like 5'9".
Yeah, I don't know.
Kendall?
Kendall's
She
taller.
must be 5'9" or something. Kyrie's like
She's a
5'9".
model. She's no way. She's 5'7".
Kyrie's 5'9" or some shit.
Yeah, but she's not a model. No?
Kyrie, I'm saying Kyrie Irving.
Kyrie cannot be 5'7", bro. He's a
5'9".
NBA
He's
player.
5'9".
dumb fuck.
He's 5'9".
He cannot check his height.
Yeah, I think he's 5'9" only.
No.
My joke is just basically became his reality immediately.
Kyrie is 5'7". This fucking idiot.
I said 5'9". Wait,
Check.
I'm checking.
He cannot be 5'9". He's in the NBA. You dumb fuck.
Yeah.
He must be 6'2".
Yeah.
188 meters.
हाँ तो 188 is 6'2" or 6'3". You
Damn
fucking
it.
moron.
Literally NBA not below average height. That's what
6'1",
Dude,
3
they-
point.
si- It's not 6'1".
6'4" with shoes.
Yeah, 6'4".
With shoes.
Stupid motherfucker.
With shoes.
That's what I'm saying. He's your
He's,
height.
he's wearing.
You think
No, he's 6'1", 3/4". He's just under 6'2". Yeah.
He's my height almost.
Right.
So
You're
that's what I'm
He's
saying.
not. He's
You mean
barely-
by almost?
barely
You
6
mean
feet hai ye tu.
Are you mad? I'm over 6. I'm 185.
he's 188?
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Close enough. 3 centimeters. But yeah, but most people in the NBA are like 6'6"
Like-
at least.
Or like 180.
You have to be like Kyrie with like insane handles or something to even be considered.
Love handles.
Insane
Yeah.
ones.
It's in handles. What does that mean? Handles.
Matlab,
He means
handling
like
the
dribbling
ball.
and shit and like
Yeah,
your skills.
Body skill.
Yeah,
I need the ashtray.
cross and tween. ऐसे बोलते हैं.
But you know the Euros are coming up. You know what the Euros are
Uh,
basically European continental
Raja, please.
European continental competition, as in all Spain, Portugal, the countries.
oh,
Unka.
Oh, that's sick.
That's starting now on
Who
Friday.
has a strong team?
France,
Yeah.
England.
England में कौन है?
England में कौन नहीं? Harry Kane,
Kane है हाँ.
Jude Bellingham,
Bellingham is English.
Phil Foden,
Bellingham. I didn't know Bellingham was English.
Phil Foden, Cole Palmer.
Yeah,
Hello,
yeah, yeah.
all
Okay,
these
yeah, yeah.
goats.
Say less,
Wayne
say less,
Rooney,
say less.
Declan Rice. Fuck.
No,
David Beckham, Wayne Rooney,
yes, but
Wayne Rooney.
yes.
Ashley Young,
Bukayo Saka.
Patrick Evra,
Okay, say less, say less.
The Patrice Evra
Patrice.
is French.
Patrick
Ever.
Evra.
So wait, there's
How
no
about
South American.
Sir Lewis Hamilton?
Theirs is also going to start
In
soon.
the- in
Copa
the
America. Copa America. No.
So that's just within
that
South
is
America.
that is the American continental tournament. मतलब उसमें US और Mexico भी होता है. So
What
the
about
Americas?
Which
Copa America has which is whatever.
What about Topa America? And it's just a bunch of dickheads.
That's a Brazzers section. It mostly has Johnny Sins on there.
How about Boba?
And they use his head without the dick, you know, like they just show us the top of his bald head and
What
then
if there
Copa
was
America.
dope Boba America and it's just a bunch of titties?
but small titties, right?
You say
for
what if as if this needs
Up
to be
to, up to
creative.
C cups. C cups is perfect. But like beyond that, I'm just
Oh, double
not-
D's.
Nah, too much.
Double D's. man.
Ashtray. You can
Also, like the cup isn't everything, no? It's also the size. It's got to do with like the the body shape.
I don't know.
also.
I
It's
don't
not
really
just
know.
the bra. It's not just C's and B's is not just a size metric. It's also got to do with the shape and whatever.
Yeah, you would know
See-
with your giant fucking tits.
The cup size.
Hey man,
Yeah. Well, the cup size is this, and then the size is the.
maybe
38
Rishu,
whatever.
Rishu,
Maybe
Rishu,
नहीं
maybe
पता.
I've seen a
I'm
pair
no
sometime.
I'm no clue.
Maybe.
Thank you.
मैं तो तरस गया.
Or like, maybe I might have laid eyes.
नहीं, but you तूने
I can't use the word. Sorry,
PhD कर रखा है.
sorry, I shouldn't use the word laid in front of you. I'm sure you get triggered.
Dude, what the hell? You know this joke doesn't work anymore.
My 15 minutes are over.
No, I'm just saying this joke doesn't work anymore because I've
Which
been
joke?
getting laid. And,
Woo!
Woo!
and not just that,
हाँ लड्डू
I'm
खिलाए थे
with
उसने
someone
ना?
I
अरे मैं
like,
घर पे
enjoy
मैं
being-
बैठा हुआ था, मेरे को सडनली आती नोटिफिकेशन सर जोमेटो से ऑर्डर है, लड्डू आए हैं हुसैन जी के हिसाब से,
क्या?
हुसैन जी से आए हैं लड्डू.
Wow.
Laddu?
For getting
Laddu?
laid, you've been giving laddus to your friends, no?
Yeah, I'm just saying, bro.
Yeah.
Also, UFC में the
Nice.
first ever Indian won.
Oh,
First ever Indian to win at the UFC.
okay.
Some female.
What's her name?
How did you know? It
Oh
was her?
yes,
How did you know it was her? It was. I don't know her name. Let me actually.
I
should
saw
know.
that though. I think it started with them. I'm not sure.
I'll tell you the name. We should know.
I saw the fucking end wala punch or some shit.
Some
also.
Haryana.
Pooja.
saw it.
Pooja Tomar.
There
Oh,
we go.
देखा I told you हरियाणवी. जाट है, तोमर है.
Hmm.
तोमर जाट होते
तेरी
हैं.
पड़ोसन है.
From no Muzaffarnagar, UP.
Okay, but जाट है.
तो either way तेरी पड़ोसन है.
तोमर जाट होते हैं ना?
आ जाओ होंगे हाँ.
तोमर जाट होते हैं. I
होंगे,
think.
होंगे.
I suppose maybe.
But she's a
Rajput भी
badass, bro.
Rajput भी हो सकता है. I don't know.
Really?
I have no idea actually. पान सिंह तोमर क्या था?
पारितोष से पूछते हैं. पारितोष तोमर है.
But yeah.
I don't know any Tomars personally.
Congrats
I know
to
Parit.
her.
Yeah.
First Indian to win at UFC, bro.
बताएगा? नहीं बताऊंगा. तोमर.
Good one. Yeah, that's pretty funny.
I didn't watch the fight, but maybe I'll go back and watch it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Because if she's good, she might get a title or something, and then
And then
that would be sick.
You can't rate women like that.
No, because who is the champ right now? Zhang Weili. I think so. You wouldn't know. You also wouldn't know.
Fuck
I'm the
right.
only one that watches UFC.
I'm a lover.
Oh, nice watch, bro.
Oh right, yeah.
I'm a
you
lover,
got
not a
New
fighter.
Nomos, brother.
I'm digging it.
इसमें ये
That
NWE yesterday.
looks nice.
Yeah.
ये फैक्ट्री स्ट्रैप लगा रखा है तूने?
हाँ?
स्ट्रैप नहीं चेंज किया?
नई factory है.
सही है.
What should I mean, I tried a bunch of other ones because it's 20, but this looks best.
Yeah.
But I got a
Wait,
discount.
how? This is the 40?
Yes, it's 40.
Oh, it's bigger than your.
Yes, but it's
Ah.
automatic.
Everything's
It's-
bigger than
it's-
his.
It's got the date function.
No, it's
that's
bigger than his.
My previous
he's a
Novus,
Tangente.
the other Novus.
Hmm.
ये भी Tangente ही है. It was a Tangente 41 pneumatic
Neom-
update.
Yeah, but I saw it has the date on the.
It's got the date on the side,
On
huh?
the- yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, I like it.
I really dig it. Yeah. I mean,
कितना दिया तेरे को इस पे? 25.
I had more than that, bro. 30 से वैसे ही discount दिया था, and the strap was.
Ethos ने?
Yes, and the strap
30 दिया तेरे को?
सुन तो और इसका ना स्ट्रैप भी थोड़ा सा एज था, तो मैंने और भी डिस्काउंट, आई थिंक आई गॉट लाइक a 33% discount on the whole.
Huh?
Pretty solid
Dude,
comp. man.
Nomos is where it's at, bro. These watches, they're
Yeah.
dying to sell. Shut up. कोई काम है ना, तुम नौकरी कर लो, फिर तू भी इन्वॉल्व हो जाइए. बेरोजगार बैठ करो.
हाँ?
Sorry.
Excuse me?
आमदनी कम है पर है तो सही.
Sorry.
नहीं तो
क्यों
तेरे
है?
पास तेरे पिताजी ने तेरे को दे रखी है इतनी अच्छी घड़ियां.
हाँ मैं देख
उनको
यार
बेच दे.
But I guess where would you wear?
ब्रो मेरी तो नजर जाती भी उनके तरफ तो यही ख्याल आता है मुझे यार मैं पहनने तो नहीं वाला किसी और
बेचियो मत, please.
I know
Yeah,
I
no. Especially the ones
and
from my father
carpet
just never. Yeah.
yeah, and carpets also my
Well,
dad
Well, you can't wear the carpet, so.
हाँ but I sometimes feel like इनको बेच because my dada was a carpet collector and my
Who the
dad is
fuck buys carpets?
Oh,
My
you've
dada
been
and
to
my
Zone,
dad.
They've got carpets on the walls, no? The Persian ones.
Achha, but people, there's a market for those.
Dude, of course.
Yeah.
Used carpets.
carpets
Bro,
यार
carpets is-
200-300 साल पर 400 साल they're
like
luxury
antiques.
items they are luxury there's a full
Bro,
carpet
there's
booming
enough
market.
people with a lot of with so much money in the world that they don't know what to do with. That they
My
find
God,
these
but
passions. For
they're
example,
a great
मुझे
investment.
घड़ियां पसंद है. बेफालतू की मैं तेरे को भी.
मेरे
You
को
know-
घड़ियां पसंद, मेरे को बाइक्स पसंद है.
Yeah, exactly. कुछ लोग को
but
पर्दे.
they're like a piece of art they're an asset they're an investment
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
we got our carpet
No, I get it.
our carpet guy Hassan he's the G
Nice.
he's
You
yeah,
still
scouts
have a carpet guy.
we
is
have a
crazy.
carpet guy
No,
you-
of course, yeah, because they come, so they know how to clean it. Because you have to
Yeah.
clean it a certain way, otherwise you'll ruin the fucking fabric.
Right.
Yeah,
the weave and stuff.
this
Yes.
guy is मतलब ये carpetों का आशिक है.
We don't have a lot of carpets in my
He's
house.
since
bro.
his great grandfather. He's the fourth generation
I
with
mean,
a carpet or
because the
some
thing
shit.
is, yeah, like really, I mean, in India, especially in Delhi and shit, man, there's so much dust pollution to maintain a carpet. It requires a lot of effort.
Yeah,
Really,
we
if
have
you want
we
to get
have
like high-end.
marble.
हाँ, that's
वो-
fine. That's fine. वो उसके ऊपर
और
ही
टेबल
लगेगा.
के नीचे carpet होता है, but उसके अलावा we don't have a lot of.
We have most of them in storage and we keep switching them out every few months and shit. So
Oh, wow.
rotating them.
Mm.
Yeah.
But
Cool,
there's
cool.
like there's like 28 carpets or some shit that
Wow. Yeah,
Yeah.
bro, you could sell those. I mean,
I
क्या
तो
लेके-
think about it, but
अच्छा, by the way, एक और
Hey,
चीज.
don't sell.
but yeah, I know you'd rather not have to, you know.
Yes. Well, of course, if you're in a pinch, then it's an asset. and
exactly.
Then you can.
No,
like,
but if, I mean, he just said that if they're an investment, eventually the plan is
Not the plan, but like some of those are 300,
they
400
can't
years
be an
old.
investment if you're holding on to them, no, forever.
हमेशा नहीं होता यार, but of course, like, अगर तुम्हारे हालात ही ऐसे हो जाते हैं, then
You can
might-
invest
might-
for generations also. It doesn't have to be your investment you get a return on.
Yeah, but
For
you didn't buy
example.
those carpets, I'm sure.
No, I didn't. मेरे को बेचना ना पड़ जाए. वही है.
नहीं, but I'm
Yeah.
just saying, मतलब हाँ, अगर sentimental value है तो मत बेच.
वो तो है ही. My dada and my dad very
वही है.
keen eye and
अच्छा, by the
whatever.
way, I saw this fight.
हाँ,
You know who Eddie Hall is?
नहीं.
So Eddie Hall was the 2017 world's strongest man from the UK. He calls himself the Beast. He's a giant, massive guy, world's strongest man, right? And he had a UFC fight, not a UFC fight, sorry, a MMA fight, 1 versus 2.
Oh,
Yeah. So one guy, Eddie Hall,
MMA, but this is not UFC.
this is not UFC, it's some other promotion.
Some other promotion. Okay, got it.
And this one guy, also you have to realize this guy's massive. Okay. He's
Heavyweight.
like 350 pounds or something.
Heavyweight.
Like 150 kilos. Yes.
Okay.
He's giant.
Okay.
150 kilos of pure muscle. Pure
Damn.
mass of muscle.
You're not like big like Tai Tuivasa or something.
No, Tai Tuivasa is
fatty. He's a
fat.
fatty.
Yeah.
He's a fatty.
Tai Tuivasa,
He's a fatty. Call a fatty a fatty. Bro.
he's a fatty.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
guy's not fat because this guy
Right.
was a strong man, like a strong man. You
Yeah.
know? So most of his weight is just muscle.
Like Stipe Miocic, something like
You
that.
look, I'll show you a picture
Big
of
guy.
him. Na.
Bless you.
No, Stipe is skinny as fuck.
Super-
Stipe is skinny
Stipe
as fuck.
Miocic. I know because I used to watch UFC, but then just got bored with it.
No, but
I understand.
UFC is pretty good right now.
Yeah, it's not that sport is not for me.
Yeah, underwear
Look at
fucking
him
competition.
next to a regular bodybuilder.
It's the thing is because like
That's Eddie Hall next to a
Now,
regular bodybuilder. Look,
now he has got big tits.
the thing is with like Formula
They are tits.
crush you. He could crush
They're
you. under
tits
those
of steel.
You have
Damn, dude.
tits.
He
He
has
has pecs.
bro, it's like Alex Jones if he was a fighter. He looks like
Yeah, but he's just it's all muscle though.
pecs. Those are bigger than some human beings I know.
Yeah.
Why does
he's
he have?
massive.
Why does he have like a Japanese character on each of his titties? Huh?
Dude, these white guys, man,
What's
they
up
don't
with
know.
that?
Each of his pecs, bro.
Titties.
Each of his pecs.
They-
भाई ये बबले हैं.
Double ही है.
So, anyways,
Bad
I
tits of
saw
steel.
him fight.
It's of steel, but yes.
Yeah.
I saw him fight 2 guys at once, and इसने एक घूसा मारा उस बंदे को और वो बंदा मर गया. The guy was on the floor dead.
It's like when like in action comedy movies, but there's like a big fighter shows up and it's
The anticlimactic one punch.
Man.
someone like a
He-
Jackie Chan just like
dude,
ducking
this
and
guy-
fucking around here.
This guy lifts like 500 kilo deadlift. bro.
Jajantaram Mantram.
मतलब
तुम्हें याद
500
है?
ये
किलो
जावेद जाफरी है.
हाँ नहीं जावेद जाफरी के साथ था ना वो बंदा बड़ा सा. The big
जावेद
guy.
जाफरी भी बड़ा सा था.
जजंतरम मंत्रम में तो जावेद जाफरी छोटा था ना यार.
अरे यार फाइट में तो एंड में दोनों बड़े होते हैं ना.
अच्छा वो I don't know about that.
यही तो मुझे याद है उस मूवी में. मुझे और कुछ नहीं याद. I literally just remember they're like two fucking Power Ranger Megazords or something. If they're humans and they're
Gulliver's
fighting.
Travels but in India and
Yeah.
then like this small Javed
Oh,
Jaffrey.
now I know what you guys are talking about.
Jajantaram
हमें तो
Mantram-
स्कूल हमें तो संगम लेके गए थे
नहीं,
जब हम
I've
स्कूल
seen
में.
the one with Javed Jaffrey. Yes.
Yes.
They took us at school
in
trip.
school exactly.
You
We
also
saw together, bro.
हाँ,
Probably. Yeah.
संगम.
I'm pretty sure. Exactly. Yes.
I think they brought both our years
Sangam-
together also.
When we used to go to Sangam and they had stale popcorn from like 3 days old.
Bro, have you seen Sangam now?
Yeah,
You missed out, bro.
What do you mean we missed out?
We've seen it. It's been
Yeah,
around
but
for
there's
10 years
still-
like that now.
हम जब स्कूल में थे तो संगम रद्दी था.
हाँ,
Yeah.
Sure.
हम
it's-
प्रिया जाते थे, हम कहाँ जाते
sure,
थे.
it's-
As soon
but
as
it's
my
better
batch
now.
finished, then it got ready. Some shit.
Yeah, I think so. A few, मतलब, yeah.
This is a weird drink, man. I don't know if I can get behind this.
What,
Dude,
the vodka
that's
and the-
that's why I didn't do it.
Like-
I've just been.
like-
Oh,
drinking
it's
it
the
neat.
vodka, so I just doesn't bother me.
I just don't do vodka. I guess I can't.
I just do alcohol, however it is.
But if
I-
it is
I'll make you
generous.
guys a vodka martini. It's my favorite drink in the world.
I like a gin martini. I prefer.
Yeah, see, I don't like the botanicals in gin because gin is essentially.
Adrak
just
se
vodka with
बनती है ना, it's so
botanicals.
nice.
Yeah. No, that's really why I like it.
Yeah, I get it. But for me, I like clean, like no weird taste. Like
Flavors. Yeah.
no weird flavors and stuff like that. I like something very smooth and very simple. And with a vodka martini, I just taste the
Olives.
vermouth and the olives and the brine. So
Mhm.
that's why I like it. With the gin martini, I taste too many things.
Mm.
You know what I mean? The
Yeah.
juniper and the whatever the fuck else they put.
On that on that same note, does your girlfriend know about the podcast yet?
No, and I'm not gonna tell her.
Good. We'll tell
Also-
her.
Also, guys, here's the thing, bro. She's
Yeah.
24. Okay.
Okay.
What is it with 24-year-old women?
So, and I'm gonna be 29. I'm 28. I'm gonna be 29.
Okay.
Okay.
That's how age goes. Yes.
That's fine.
That's how numbers progress.
Like, to be honest, she
Is more mature
reminds
than
me a
you.
lot of Hazel
Uh-huh.
because she has not figured her life out. You know what I mean?
Acha.
Like
You're grooming her.
she.
So you're not supposed to laugh that loud.
It's true what they say about the Muslims. Grooming gangs.
No, it's the
All
Pakis,
in-
bro.
all
It's the
in the
Pakis.
youth-
It's not. It's not
Okay.
Indian.
My bad. It's a
Just the-
nationality. It is a nationality thing. Anyway, go on.
So, she's.
What's her name? Aisha.
I'm not gonna name her, bro.
I'm kidding, man.
But
I was making this the Muhammad ki thi na Aisha.
oh
think-
my god, please let's not talk about this.
Bad jokes.
Yeah.
Go on.
But yes, it was Ayesha.
Yeah. 24-year-old.
Yeah,
24-year-old.
24-year-old.
She's
So
a dumb
basically-
bitch.
No,
Some
it's-
dumbass.
She no. It's
Some
she's
idiot.
Not dumb. She's not dumb at all.
Okay,
actually.
sorry, go on.
She's really not dumb.
My bad.
But
I don't know.
she acts like I can fix her problem. Like she tells me things like I have the solution for them, and it's like,
She calls you
like,
daddy.
girl, like you just
Welcome
gotta
to-
fucking live life and figure.
Acha. That's what men gotta do, man.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know how to understand it.
I think
like,
me-
explain it. But,
Men's natural role.
Your job is not to understand it. Your job
Yeah,
is to
yeah.
explain it regardless.
But I think the natural role for men
Like,
to
I
play
don't have the
in
answers
that
you are
relationship.
seeking. You know
yeah,
what I
no,
mean?
but men have
You
to
just
tell the
gotta
women.
go through life.
Real men tell women how to live. Real women tell women what to do.
Yeah, that's why you are single, brother. There is a reason you are single. Okay, don't tell me.
Oh, by the way, listen. One of my
मैं बहुत ही एकदम पता है with her ना. I completely on my tiptoes, bro. मैं बहुत ही संभल के चलता हूँ.
So you're-
Like I'm fucking
so you're lying to her.
navigating a minefield. bro.
You're lying to her. You're not yourself.
What lying? अभी
I'm kidding.
कुछ सालों में असलियत निकलेगी ना
कुछ
मेरी.
जब बच्चे हो जाएंगे 2-3 निकल जाएंगे ना उसको तब उसको पता चलेगा.
one of my
But anyway, jokes aside.
हाँ.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like the age gap is too much between us.
5 years is not a lot.
No, it's fine.
It's not a lot.
It's a fair bit, guys.
It's all right. And as you
It's
grow
really
older, that
really
is
not a lot.
lesser also.
But I mean, I think the main issue is that she's still figuring out her career.
you might be a different.
Do you
That's
really
like
want to be
wavelength.
doing this on the podcast? Is what I'm trying to say. You're talking
No, I
out
don't.
loud about.
I
it.
have
Okay,
some-
That's good. I mean, fucking.
I have
मैं तो
something.
मजाक कर रहा होता ये सलाह असली मेरा.
हाँ यार मेरे को चुप करो मैं कुछ भी बोल देता हूँ इस पॉडकास्ट पे मैं भूल जाता हूँ कि कैमरा चल रहा है आई फील लाइक आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग एंड टॉकिंग टू माय फ्रेंड्स यार
मैं
Stupid.
आई फॉरगेट देयर इज अ फकिंग कैमरा हियर
जाने I'm trying to fucking just be an. I sometimes wonder if I'm just an asshole, you know,
If?
for the sake
What
of.
do you mean?
I wonder.
do you
is what-
wonder?
I'm saying I'm wondering.
I'll let you know you are
just
but
just for the lulls, I'm an asshole, right? Uh-huh.
But I have a message for Rishu.
Go on.
One of my music students watched the podcast.
Uh-huh.
I'm reading this message on Monday. Yo, I just checked out your podcast.
Go on.
The election gossip one. Rishu is, and in capital letters, adorable. I'm invested in his dating life now. The I'm not thinking that far killed me. I feel represented.
wait is this a guy
No, girl.
it's a girl
Some lass.
Don't read out the name, whatever. It's a student.
of course
so yeah,
not
but
I
yeah.
just want to see her
Of course, man. It's a dumb comment. It's got to be a lass.
If she was adorable, was already.
Ladies, you are beautiful. I am just retarded. Okay.
Dude, this is what I was waiting for. This is what I needed.
For 23 episodes, this is what he's been waiting for.
Now I can quit the podcast.
Fuck you.
Now I am happy to go. इसी का इंतजार था मेरे को.
Shit.
She. That's a fun.
So Rishu's got his
the
first and
congressman- is it the
last
commission-
compliment.
Is it the you've seen The Wire, right? Have you seen The Wire?
Yeah, of course.
Have you seen The Wire? He's
Not
probably
yet. We've talked about this.
Dude, the virus has been out for like 20 years.
Yeah, this is the black congressman. What the fuck? It's commissioner. She. He's got that Baltimore she. That's just too funny to me.
Yeah.
Some of these African
Dude,
Ave, Jave.
African American vernacular English, whatever it's pretty funny.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Don't ask me, man.
Don't ask.
Don't ask me.
तो फिर
Yeah.
बाहर घर जाओ बहन के लोड़ो.
हो गया एक्चुअली पता है घंटे से
वैसे एक घंटे
पता
से 1.5 घंटा होने वाला है. नहीं, 1
ये
hour
तो
15 minutes
झूठ
हुआ.
है बट चल ठीक है कोई बात नहीं.
I had so much more stuff to talk about, bro. on
तो
my
कर
phone.
ले रोकने की जरूरत नहीं है
नहीं, अगली बार कर लेंगे.
अरे 2 एपिसोड बना लेंगे.
कोई अगली बार कर लेंगे.
अगर
चलो.
फ्लो में निकल रहा है तो निकलने दे ब्रो.
अगला
हाँ.
एपिसोड स्टार्ट होता है
Don't
now.
worry
निकल
about
चुका
it.
जो निकलना था निकल चुका. बंद करो.
You while puking in the joke Jolo chip challenge.
Good night.